Hi. Today we will consider a seemingly simple question. How long is an arm? Why is this so important? To understand why, let's begin with a story. Let's say you decide to buy some cloth from your neighborhood shop. The salesman is very happy to see you. You ask about the price. The salesman replies, rupees 200 per arm. Arm, you ask? A bit puzzled. Okay, I'll take cloth for 1,000 rupees. How much is an arm anyway? The merchant indicates that an arm is the distance from the tip of his middle finger to the joint of his elbow. Fine, you say. Give me 5 arms worth of cloth. As he measures out the merchandise, you take a good look at the man and realize that your arm is a lot longer than his. So you say, I want to measure out the cloth with my arm. The shopkeeper replies, no, I only use my arm to measure the cloth. You don't have to think very hard to see that this arrangement works out very well for him because he is a short guy with short arms. No arm, no cloth, no purchase. You leave that shop feeling a bit angry. This story shows the basic problem with using non-standard units. The thing is, this was the normal way of doing things historically. For example, the English measure in feet and yards, the Romans measured in paces and stadia, and the Indians measured in units like the aratni and the hasta. All of these systems that depend on the arms and legs and feet and palms have the same problem. Humans don't come off an assembly line identical in every way, which means that the definition of what is a single step will change with the person's height, as will the length of their arms and the width of their palm. Add human ego into this mess and you have war starting over boundaries and territory. Or at the very least, it can still cause extremely costly mistakes in engineering. For example, NASA lost a $125 million Mars mission and years of hard work because one of their teams used millimeters to measure distance while the other team was using inches. The result was that the space probe fired its engines for the wrong amount of time, causing the mission to slam into the planet rather than gently settle into an orbit around it. This is the type of problem that standardization can solve. Through informed discussion, we create a set of units that can be agreed upon by everyone. If the same definitions are used everywhere, everyone understands and accepts the measurement with no confusion.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.